For our ICM Statistics project, we surveyed the senior class to find out how many foreign language classes they have taken, and we related that to the graduation rate. We used voluntary response sampling through an Instagram poll where the seniors could voluntarily decide to respond to our poll.
In our data, we found out that most seniors took 2 years of foreign language classes because that is what most four-year colleges require. We had 47 seniors take 2 classes, 35 seniors take 3 classes, 12 seniors take 4 classes, and 6 seniors take 5 classes. The mean of our data, which is the average of all the data points, was 2.77 classes taken. The median, which is the middle number of classes taken, was 3. The mode, which is the most occurring data point, was 2. The range, which is the maximum minus minimum, was 3 classes. And the mid-range, which is the average of the minimum and maximum, was 3.5 classes. The minimum of our data, which is the smallest number, was 2 classes taken. Quartile 1, which is the middle number of the first half of data before the median, was 2 classes taken also. The median, which is the middle number of data, was 3 classes taken. Quartile 3, which is the middle number of the second half of data after the median, was 3 classes taken. The maximum amount of classes taken was 5, which is also the greatest number, and the interquartile range, which is the third quadrant minus the first quadrant, was 1.
This is a picture of our pie chart. Our pie chart shows our percentages of people who took so many numbers of foreign language classes. For our blue section, that is 2 classes taken seen in our key, which was 47%. Our red section was 3 classes taken, and that was 35%. From our yellow section, that is our 4 classes taken, and that was only 12%. And from our green section, that was our 5 classes taken, was only 6%. To find our variance and standard deviation on the Excel sheet, I took all our data points and averaged them out to get our mean, which was 2.77. From there, I used a computer formula to formulate an equation which subtracted our data point minus our mean, seen in the second column. From there, I averaged out all of our subtracted data points from the mean and got our variance, which is the expectation of a squared deviation of a random data point from its mean, and I got 0.78. From there, you can square root our variance to get our standard deviation, which is on average how far the data points are from the mean, and I got 0.88.
As you can see, the vast majority of students have only taken 2 classes. That is the bare minimum to go into 4-year colleges, and the majority of people do not want to pursue foreign languages past that point, which means that our data is not normally distributed.